Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ryan and I am the Amazon and eBay guru on YouTube. I teach how to sell on Amazon, how to sell on eBay. I teach multiple different revenue streams for selling on Amazon, for selling on eBay, and growing both of those platforms to a point where you're able to quit your full-time job and sell online full-time. That's what I've done. This is what I teach my people that I mentor. I love to help other people grow their online businesses, and that's why I've created this YouTube channel, is to give people insight on how to sell on these platforms and give a real life experience from my experience and how I was able to quit my job and to sell online full-time. And it's great because it gives you a lot more freedom in the sense that you don't have to set an alarm every morning, even though I do still recommend that for focusing on growing your business. But you don't have to. You don't have to answer to anyone. You're your own boss and you run your own business. And that's why both of these platforms are awesome, because they already have such a large customer base that it gives you those customers that can become your customers, and it's the best way to sell online, especially if you're just getting started out. So if you guys want to learn more about this, learn more about selling on Amazon, and learn more about selling on eBay, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the bell beside the subscribe button so that you get notifications every time I post a new video. And I'd love to have you guys watching more of my videos, because I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers and who have helped me grow in this journey. Already over 1,000 subscribers, and I know that it's going to continue to grow thanks to you guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, because I got a lot of helpful content where you can grow your own business on either Amazon, eBay, or other platforms that I have shown in my previous videos. So yeah, make sure you guys check out my channel and let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.